Hey there, this is Thomas from replient.ai again, and I'm going to show you our new features we launched this week. And it's a quite interesting feature for all agencies and all teams using replient.ai. So you have an analytics dashboard now where you can track all the actions your team or our AI made onto your comments. So when you click on analytics, you got a pretty nice overview of everything comment related on our platform. On the top right, you can choose the date range which you want to analyze. By default, it's always the last 30 days. Then on top, you have the total comments, like just an overview of how many comments you got on which day. Then we have the moderation rate, which is like how many of those comments that came in were moderated on each day. So a moderation is always answer, like, hide, or delete. If you just moved it to done, it not counts as moderation. Then we have the average response time of all of your team members, including AI responses. So you have the average response time here with also some date specific numbers here as well. You have the sentiment analysis where you can dive into the data on a specific day and have a quick overview about how many comments on your social media channels are in general negative. Then you have the tags overview where you see what kind of comments are often available in your social media accounts. So for this brand, it's, for example, generic question. So some general information about your product or service that the customers want to know about. So here it would make sense to dive in deeper. You can just click on it and review those questions to maybe address them in a new video. Then we have the moderation actions. This is like a view where you can check out the moderation dates. So it's not like based on the comment date, so it's on the moderation date. The all comments graph is like the comments that came in on this day. So you can switch this here. So by comment date, you can see that on the 12th, there were 17 comments. And of these comments, there were 4 answered, 4 liked, 4 hidden, and 1 deleted. So you can switch this up here and also hide some stuff here. What is nice about this feature is if you use multiple users in your account, you can always click into a specific user to check his performance. You can click on it and see a graph about it here. And you get also detailed analytics of how many comment moderations this specific user made in the last 30 days or the time frame you selected. You always also see the average response time of this user and also our AI responses here. Then you got the top post. So this is sorted based on the highest new comments that came in the time range. And you can see the most maybe relevant posts or ads that you run on your accounts. You always see a sentiment analysis per post as well, so you can analyze which ad is maybe generating a lot of positive feedback and maybe double down on this ad to create a variant of it. Then we have a social media channel breakdown, which is very straightforward. You just have all the channels up here and can analyze how many comments on which platform you got. Then we have some time saving stats here. It's because replient.ai is good at saving you time, so we want to also show you how much time you saved using replient.ai. Then we have user engagement, which is basically how often a user commented on your posts. So for example, for this brand, in the last 6 days, one user wrote 6 comments, which is quite a lot. And you can check customer retention or how involved your customers are with your brand, which is a very nice thing to look at and try to improve those numbers as well. So this is our analytics feature. I hope you like it. We have one more thing launching this week. It's placeholders for automations. So for example, if you have a module in our automations using send comment with custom text, you now have the ability to include variables like hi username to make it even more personal, and you can just hit save and it will be dynamically inputted here. We also have added this into the comment template. So if you create a new comment template here, you can always add the username here so that you're even faster replying with replient.ai. So that's it for this week's updates. We're pretty hooked about the new analytics feature, and we hope it's also very valuable for your business and for your use case. If you have any questions or you want to have even more analytics capability, just reach out and drop us your ideas. We happily look into them. Until then, see you next week for the next updates about replient.ai.